Hi, I'm Tom, and in this tutorial for Revit, I will show you how to create a tag of filled region, which shows the area of the filled region. So it works like this, that I click on a filled region and it shows the area. So let's go to my start file, and I ran up to this problem in my file that I had a lower soffit here and higher soffit here in this room, and I wanted to know area of each part of the soffit. And I created it in a quick and dirty way, that I created a filled region for each part of the soffit, and I wanted to have a tag which would show the area. The area is shown here, but there's no tag by default for filled regions. So we have to create one. So let's start by creating the family, and we will go to new family, and I will go to English, annotations, and metric generic tag. I will open it, and I will first delete this node. That's not important. And first, we will go and set up the category parameter of the annotation. And by default, we should use the detail item tags. But there's one problem if we set up this detail item tags, which should tag the filled region, because now if I create a label and I place it here, there's no area tag here. I cannot create the label with area for detail item. So we have to do a little workaround. So we will switch the category from detail item tags to something that has area. So I know that for sure floor tags have area. So I will change this family to floor tag. And now if I create a label and I place it here, I have the option to tag the area. So I will choose the area, click OK. But now if I would load this tag to my project, it would tag the floor and not the filled region. So let's do this trick. Select the area label and copy it into your clipboard. And now we switch again the category from floor back to detail item tags. And now if we take a look at the area and if we edit the label, you can see that there's no area here. There's some problem type IFC GUID. This would be problematic and it wouldn't show anything, but we can delete this here now and paste, align to the same place, the original one. And if we paste the original one and take a look at the label, you can see that the parameter name and the value is proper. So click OK. And now we just edit and create the text. And let's place the text. So let's name it build area. And let's make it so that it's like this. And let's also do, let's say, the square, round. So let's say this is enough. Now we load it into the project. And if I tag by category and click on my fill region area, you can see that it's tagging the area. Okay, so here I've got the second one. I can click here, move it here. And just to show you, it also works for masking regions. But if I create a new filled region and new tag, I can tag the area. And if I change the area of the filled region, the tag changes too. So this is how you tag filled region so that it shows the area. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, smash that like button and take care.